Okay, here's my latest EMTB build. Full suspension. Pretty sure it's a junior 24-inch frame. I know it's 24-inch, and it's not the greatest at all brand. I used what I had. I found it in the alley down the road, and it didn't have a front wheel or front fork shocks, so I got those shocks. SR Sun Tour shocks. I think they're 26-inch, meant for 26-inch wheels. I got those at a bike shop here with like all used parts, and I got those for like 15 bucks. 20-inch wheels. The tires are street treads I got off of a parts bike. They're 20 by 3.0. I'm using my old, not my old, but my same old motor, battery, 1500 watt rear hub, 48 volt battery, 20 AH, and using the wannabe style gas tank case for the controller and motor, battery. Front disc, they work good. I had to shear off my rear V-brake mounts on this chainstay or swing arm, whatever you want to call it, and modify. I sheared off the rear post for the original, and then in my parts bin I had this bracket, and I C-clamped it on each side like that. I used a little bit of the nubs left over from the original post, and they actually helped hold it really well in place. There ain't much clearance, but as long as I can see a gap of air, we're good to go. It's actually kind of close. I've already taken it for a couple rides. This is the side I was concerned about, but I don't see any sidewall wear, maybe just slight touching. Before I thought about using this bike, I was sitting it down. I went and sheared off the chain tensioner effing mount because it was hanging lower. I thought I want it to store it away, sitting flat. And then when I got the bike, decided to build it. I was in need of a freaking chain tensioner, so I modified that. Whatever, it works. It's a little close to my pedal. I gotta watch out for that, but it still has clearance. Let's see. Yeah, right there. But still, you can miss it. I should shear these off and put the light on it. Oh, I put this backwards rat trap on it. It's not backwards actually, but I use rat trap for the front mount U-bolts. Front fender's all freaking modified, whatever. My modifications. When I first put this light on, I had it resting on this and zip tied to it, and I zip tied it to the top part, and I wasn't thinking how. And so I took it for its fucking first run, and every bump I hit, it's just like bang, bang. Because I didn't think about the fucking shock compressing. And I fucked up the handles on it and everything. And that fucking kickstand sucks. It hangs way too low. I fucking got caught up just coming up there. Now I'm gonna take a ride from here down into downtown, and here I go.